This is Xiaomi 12 Pro review. In 2021, Xiaomi achieved greatness. The Xiaomi 12 Pro, a flagship device with a price of less than $1,000 and some best-in-class features such as a 120 watts fast charger, will be available this July. It combines Samsung's LTPO AMOLED technology and WQHD+ resolution with a brilliant 6.73-inch A+ rated screen. This phone also sounds expansive with quad speakers and Dolby Atmos support, even if Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max is the speaker champion. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and up to 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is one of the most powerful phones you can buy for under $200. For a starting price of $999, the Xiaomi 12 Pro is cheaper than a variety of smartphones like the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Oppo Find X5 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, all of which are more than $1,000. Xiaomi Mi 11's design was fun, with confident but refined color choices. More importantly, the device looked great. A rounded rectangle has replaced the squircle camera surround. The white back is now a rich, velvety finish that is lustrous, comfortably velvety to the touch, and fingerprint resistant, and color options have been reduced. Available in blue, gray, and purple, each color is a bit muted, rather than eye-catching or bright. A Gorilla Glass Victus display is mounted on a matte, blasted metal frame that is loosely color-matched with the back of the phone. The device weighs 205 grams and measures 8.2 millimeters in thickness, yet its tapered sides lend it an elegant air. An IP68 rated phone typically has a rubber seal on the SIM tray. The ports and buttons are well placed, and the speaker grills surround the screen. A power and volume button is located on the right, and a dual SIM slot is situated at the bottom. Xiaomi's Mi 11 has a 6.81-inch screen, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro features a 6.73-inch screen. The Samsung 12 Pro features a 120Hz Samsung LTPO AMOLED display. Xiaomi 12 Pro's display is also sharp using WQHD+ resolution, giving it a pixel density of 521p, higher than an iPhone 13 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and with a peak brightness of 1500 nits, HDR10+ video looks great as well. It has an impressive triple 50MP camera mix, as well as smart software that ensures it captures consistently good images even if it is not the best in class. Therefore, photos taken with the Xiaomi 12 Pro possess pleasing depth, which is complemented by excellent autofocus. Due to the primary camera's aperture of f/1.9 and 7-element lens, there is a shallow depth of field. The cameras are all 50MP, but only the main camera has such a large sensor, so the telephoto and ultra-wide editions, which use Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensors, are inferior. In addition, the Xiaomi 12 Pro's 2x zoom camera is lacking in detail due to its limited optical reach, so if you are a big pincher, you might want to avoid it. In bright environments, the Xiaomi 12 Pro captures excellent video at 8K resolution and works well in 4K at 60 frames per second. While we have not been impressed by Xiaomi's 32MP selfie camera in the past, this one does take impressive photos in well-lit conditions. The Xiaomi 12 Pro is a powerful gaming phone and can also handle your day-to-day tasks without becoming too hot. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, the performance of almost all apps we tested was impressive. Xiaomi's 12 Pro offers an optional storage of 128GB or 256GB, but there is no SD card slot, just 2 SIM slots, so file hoarders may prefer the larger model. Battery capacity is not impressive at 4,600 mAh, with most flagships these days clocking in at around 5,000 mAh. The Xiaomi 12 Pro is even more impressive than its battery life when it comes to charging speed, which reaches 120 watts in under 20 minutes. While phones have historically ignored wireless charging if they offer class-leading wired speeds, Xiaomi's phone offers 50 watts wireless charging as well as 10 watts reverse wireless charging. Xiaomi's adaptive charge lets you control your charging speed either manually or automatically when you are not in a hurry.